Hello, children. Today we are going to start again our online classes. As before, we studied till 31st May, but due to COVID 19, as you know, it is spreading very fastly day by day, so it is inconvenient to open school in such a tragic conditions. So now we will study again as we are learning. And I hope you will support me and study with me very nicely. Okay, so here we will going to start again a quick revision. You can say it. Nutrition in plants. I have explained you this is very perfectly and nicely in the previous videos. So you can go through the channel of links online study with Vinay, and there you can visit the previous videos. So now we will start today. So in the introduction, all the living organisms require food. As you know, without food we can't survive on the earth. And why do we need food? To obtain energy, first one. To obtain material for growth like vitamins, protein, fat, etc. And to obtain material for the repairing of body, like sometime we got some wound or scratches in our body, and you saw sometime they disappear, yeah, they fill, they heal automatically. So why does it happen? It happens due to the repair of damaged parts of the body with the help of essential materials. So the process of taking food, this is the definition of nutrition, that what we are going to learn. The process of taking food by an organism whatever that is alive, that have life, like humans, animals, living, all living beings, organism, as well as the utilization of this body, means how they use that, is called nutrition. Understand? Plants can make their own food, but animals, including human and the other insects, are unable, cannot make themselves. So they obtain the food from plants or other animals. They eat plants. We will now discuss various methods of modes of nutrition in organisms. Means how does we get food? So there are two kinds of nutrition. The first one is autotrophic and the second one is heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which the organism makes its food itself from simple inorganic substance, is called autotrophic या holophytic nutrition. These are another name of autotrophic nutrition. Means suppose that where anywhere you can see holophytic nutrition, don't worry, just to learn the autotrophic nutrition is also called holophytic nutrition. Green plants make their food from carbon dioxide. As you know, this is the process, photosynthesis process. Carbon dioxide and water in presence of chlorophyll, the green pigment found in the leaves, and the sunlight. So the mode of nutrition is green plant is autotrophic nutrition. Green plant produce food from themselves as well as for animals and human beings. Means the they make food, but after using it, whatever they left as extra, that becomes an, yeah, converted into the food that is usable by animals and the human beings. The green pigment chlorophyll is necessary because it traps energy of sunlight, and in the process of photosynthesis there water is just break down in two parts, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen, where hydrogen is absorbed and make help in making of glucose. This is I fully described in my previous videos. While the oxygen is releases, that is used by the living beings as a life like air. The process of photosynthesis first produce a simple carbohydrate called glucose, as I explained, as food, and the glucose carbohydrate then gets converted into complex carbohydrate. It is very important, complex, that is called starch. It is the food naturally, and it is saved into the fruits that we eat. This starch gets stored as food in the various part of plants. Like some parts of plants we eat as like stem, some parts of the plant we eat like roots, and some parts of the plant we eat like fruits. This is the activity, but you not to do it because ethanol is needed here and iodine, and you can't get ethanol and iodine in your home. It is the lab based activity, so leave it. Come to the photosynthesis. I have explained you previously, but now again this is the equation of the uh, photosynthesis, the process by which green plants make their own food like glucose from carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. It is very important. Without non-green plants never make their own food because they don't have the chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is able to trap the energy of sunlight. The process of photosynthesis can be represented by the this equation. Learn it and set your mind. Carbon dioxide means that we get the plants get from the air, water that we get that plants get from the soil, and in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Sunlight from the sun and chlorophyll from the green. Glucose, a carbohydrate, is prepared and oxygen is released. This is the sign of gases. Understand? Gases are indicated by the arrow upside like this. Condition necessary for photosynthesis. Presence of chlorophyll, as I told you. Chlorophyll trap the light energy to carry out photosynthesis. The second, presence of sunlight, because sunlight is essential increase the rate of photosynthesis, means it make the photosynthesis faster, increase almost linearly at high light intensity, means as much as hotness or sunlight will present, the photosynthesis will be faster. And nature of light, the blue and red region of the visible light are almost effective for photosynthesis. That's why in the sunny days photosynthesis is more faster in comparison to cloudy days. Okay. Temperature means at the temperature, if temperature will be more, then photosynthesis will be faster. If temperature will be less, means suppose that the cloudy weather or the cold weather, then photosynthesis will be very slow. So the effect of temperature, photosynthesis vary plant to plant. Understand? Means not all plants work or make food same process in same amount. The availability of carbon dioxide, poor availability of carbon dioxide lowers the extent rate of photosynthesis. Means suppose that they are the area where not more pollution, so their carbon dioxide is less. So in that area photosynthesis will be slow. And availability of power water, because without water it can't possible, because H2O is break down in two parts, H and O. H is used in glucose and O is released, means that is oxygen. Okay, so more water, more photosynthesis, faster photosynthesis, and less water, so less photosynthesis. To show that sunlight is necessary, this activity you can do in your home if you want. Okay, but you can't do it, is also way you have to do it in lab. Bring with a plant, and because ethyl alcohol and iodine solution, you have to get it from the lab. And this is the important thing, the fact file. The term photosynthesis was coined, means from where the word photosynthesis term and used. Reed Barnes, this is the scientist, in 1833. Photosynthesis also takes place in leaves having color than green. So means Charles Reed Barnes discovered it. Breathing organs of the plants means how plants breathe, how they get carbon dioxide and release carbon dioxide, sorry, release oxygen. The plant take carbon dioxide gas from air through tiny pores called stomata present on the surface of leaf, and they are found in downside of the leaves. Understand? Each stomata is a plural. Stoma is singular, and but in a leaf there are lot of stoma is found, so we will call it stomata. Two half moon shaped guard. Moon shaped guard means like this, eye like structure. The guard cell regulate the, and around it the guard cell are found. They regulate and make it closing or opening. When there is enough light and water, the guard cells swell up and curve away from each other, thus opening stomata. This allows carbon dioxide to enter the cell of the leaves. The oxygen gas produced in the leaves during the photosynthesis goes out into the air in the same stomata pores. Means the same stomata work for both entering and exiting. This is the picture of stomata, and clearly you can see this is the leaf structure, stoma and found in leaves and guard cells, and this is the closed stomata and this is the open stomata. Okay, this is the stomata and this is the guard cell, the yellow structure. Okay, and I hope you understand whatever I explained, and it is half of the lesson. The remaining I will explain you in my next video. So learn it well, watch the video 2-3 times, and this time make the fair note. Whatever I give work, you have to copy on your fair notebook. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.